Okay, so how much we divided into two accounts, and you have $9,000, paying 5.5% interest and 8% interest. So that the total interest after 1 year is $630. Now, the first time I gave this question, I had a student who asked me, "Why don't you just put everything in the account that pays 8% interest?" And I said, "That's a brilliant idea. I should do that." Now, usually when you invest in like certain funds, you don't know what you're going to get back because if you're investing in unpredictable things like the stock market or bonds, you don't really know what the interest is going to pay until after the fact. So that's what I'm kind of thinking they were thinking when they made this question. But yeah, if you have the opportunity to know what the interest rate is, just put it in the one with the higher rate. That would make more sense. But it's a math problem, and things like guys having 127 apples and 47 watermelons come up all the time, and nothing makes sense. So let's going forward, I'll try to give more problems that make actual real life sense. So how should 9,000 be divided into two accounts? So let's make that our variables because that's what we're looking for. So we'll say X is the money that we put into the 5.5% account, and Y is the money that we put into the 8% account. So between the two accounts, we have $9,000 and we want to invest all of it. Now the interest is 630, so that's like the profit that we're going to make. So 5.5%, that as a percent is 0.055 times X represents the interest. So I'm not going to do 1.055 because this is only talking about the interest on top of the 9,000. So since I'm going to set this equal to 630, not 9,630, I'm not going to put the 1 in front. Same thing with the 8%. All right. I'm going to make 8% off Y dollars. So my profits added together should be 630. That's how we set it up. And now you could type it in to a graphing calculator and or any calculator. Well, I guess yeah, graphing one. Even if the TI Nspire non-CAS, you will be able to solve it because it is a system of equations. So it just gave it to us. It said the interest after 1 year, 630. Yeah, no problem. So then I'm going to do menu, algebra. If you don't have a CAS, then you just do solve system of linear equations because it'll work either way. So x and y. So we got x plus y is equal to 9,000, and then 0.055x plus 0.08y equals 630. And then you see, okay, you got 600 in one account and 5,400 in the other. And those are the amounts that we put into each account.